Welcome to the future.
Welcome to the Muxall Open IoT channel. I am your host, Michael Crane. Okay, so while I was doing this video, I actually was doing some testing on a real barbecue, and it's nothing real special. I had the barbecue go to 180, and then up to 225. And then I think this is 275, and then drop down to it looks like 180 again, right? And we could go look at it. I'm just kind of guessing. Yeah. So 180 to 225, 275, then drop down to 180. And the reason why I'm doing this is I'm testing the flame out detect. And I originally set this guy for like 5 minutes or something like that. And it worked okay, but I was cooking last night. The flame out detect kept coming on. I was like trying to cook dinner, so I just, yeah, here it is. You can enable it or disable it, right, with this checkbox. Because I didn't want to mess with trying to figure out, what the time is. I was hoping 5 minutes would be enough, but I was having problems was going down in temperature. You can see right here, it went down and then it paused. And if you remember, the barbecue's got a pause state, so it'll sit there and beep at you when it goes into state pause. And as I was just sitting here talking, I think it's paused again. We can go look. Oh no, it's turned off. Okay. So yeah, it took it a long time to drop from 275 down to 180. And of course right here, if you're wondering about this right here, what it does, it needs to relight the barbecue, it thinks. And so it goes into a warm-up mode, which is the exact mode it does at the very beginning right here. It just runs the auger at a 50% duty cycle to make sure it's got plenty of fuel to ignite for the igniter to ignite the fire. So it runs at a 50% duty cycle, and of course it restarted and this lasts 5 minutes, right? And then of course it heated it back up a little bit, then it had to drop back down, and of course this whole time span was apparently 20 minutes. So I just wanted to show you that. And this will be different for different grills. That's why I wanted people to be able to change it. And one of the reasons why I wanted to turn it off, not just to, bypass the flame out detect, is if you're cooking or grilling and you have one of those barbecues that you can keep the lid open on, this thing might cause problems because it's gonna, it only has two things to look at, right? It's got the temperature, the chamber temperature probe, and it knows it's running the auger. And if it's running the auger and it doesn't see that chamber temperature probe going higher, it's going to think something's wrong, and it's going to turn the barbecue off. Or it's not going to turn it off, it's going to pause it and beep at you until you come fix it. And so if you're going to be cooking with your lid open, then you want to disable the flame out detection so you can so it doesn't give you any problems. All right. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. Don't forget, you can support the Muxall Open IoT channel by donation using a credit card and PayPal, or by purchasing products at the Muxall store. Details and links are in the description under this video. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, that helps, and hit the subscribe button, that really helps. If you have any questions or comments, post them in the comments under this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.